All right, all right, all right. Let's we'll get this shook out here. I don't have a lot of time left before the open, but we'll get this shooken out. Then I'll get this figured out. Had to restart the whole friggin' system here this morning. Uh, but we will go through the tickers for the pre-market here. Let me. It's just gonna take me a second here to actually get my bearings. If I can close that. Here we go. Here we go. So, what do we got? We've got BVXV. Jumpins. What a ticker is that? BVXB? No, that's not right. Again, give me a minute here. Bear with me here. BVXV. BVXV. Okay. There we go. We've got a. So it's got a shares outstanding of 14.3 million. We've got a float of 13.9 million. We've got a pre-market volume here of 21.9 million, give or take, right now, right? So what we're working on here, still don't have anything here. BV. What the heck was it again? BVXV. BVXV. Just try and see if we can get some news on it. Signs a definitive agreement. Definitive agreement for development of commercialization of nano-sized COVID-19 antibody. So it's a COVID-19 jobby. This one here was a couple of days ago. But it's not doing it though. It just popped up there out of nowhere. SEAC. That's not going to work. BRTX. BRTX was one from the other pre-market. I guess we should build a. Let's build it. Let's build it right. Let's just do it. No, that's not going to work, is it? It's way too busy. BRTX. I should probably keep this chat open so I could see it, right? If there's any chatting going on. Tell me the tickers you want to see. And, yeah, tell me the tickers that you guys want to see, and I will try and look at them. Keep that open, right? This is why it's such a difficult job. And that's why the guy had two people working on it, right? So, yeah, because she just kept feeding him fucking tickers, right? AVCT, we played this one. This might be the one for today, guys, actually, now that I'm looking at it. AVCT. You know, we've got a slightly below VWAP here. So once we do this commencement of breaking VWAP, it should be off to the races, right? And we can look out further. I don't want to go too deep because we've got, yeah, there you go there. See, so, yeah, I might suggest high a day would be probably okay. Again, this whole job is you can't be greedy. You can't say, okay, well, let's go all the way out. We're going to go to a 1 day chart here. Let's say, okay, yeah, like I think it'll go to 7. Oh, that's a bit greedy, don't you think? How about 3? How about $3? Not even. How about 277? Yeah, like what's wrong with that? Even this VWAP at 205, we're almost there, right? So, I guess what I'm suggesting is don't be greedy with these things. Let this thing do its thing, and then maybe, yeah, like, what's wrong with high a day here? Or even 266. It's not like we're, I'm going to say break of that right there. And then 266, 14%. Like, how can you go, why would you be all pissy about that? You very well shouldn't. So AVCT, that's a good one. What else do we got here? What else do we got? We got ALJJ. No, that's not working. METX. It's okay. It's not the greatest. It's really low priced. Yeah, it's just really low priced. So we could end on that one, METX. Let me just pull that up on the chart. It's probably a Chinese stock here, right? Yeah, our volume's dead. This is not dead. The volume's, yeah, and I would again, we're going right back up to VWAP here. It's not a complicated thing here. Most of my targets are this VWAP line, right? Like, as long as we're below it and you're coming up to it, that's a pretty good spot. So 67 cents would be a pretty good trade here. It'd be, actually, if you look at it, it's going to be freaking tremendous if you can get it all the way to there. Yeah, that's only 126% away. So, will that happen? Yeah, I don't know about that, right? So, if you guys have any comments or any likes or subscribes or shares, that'd be fine too. Just tell me what you want to read here, and we can see what we can get going on the thing, right? Because today is Wednesday, December 22nd. And with that, do we have any time left? Oh, I forgot to record this one. Oh, we could have recorded it too. I don't know why you'd want to record it too. You can almost do the playback like normal, right? So, I got a lot of screens open here. Where are we at? Yeah, AVCT was pretty good. AVCT. This is not as clean as, well, if it takes 2 years of practice, then it takes 2 years of practice. And again, I don't predict any of this stuff. I wait for it to tell me which one to use. So, with that one, I'm going to say, like, share, subscribe. And it's not what you trade, it's how you trade. And if you guys want to keep coming back to get your high fives, then I'm okay with that too.